Namaste, hello, I am Rasika and welcome to Earth and Ether Yoga and Wellness. Flow with me today with a chair yoga flow. This is a warrior series and we can flow from one asana to the other. Keep your block handy. Let's watch. Take a distance to approximately 3.5 to 4 feet distance. Turn to the right side. Your right leg is in a lunge and raise your arms up to Warrior A or Anjaneyasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and from here take both your hands to the chair, incorporating a twist here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, arms up, and exhale, go into reverse warrior. Left hand on the left leg and with a mild gentle back bend. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bring your hands in T position. Make sure the back foot slides slightly forward so that you can comfortably be seated on the chair, and look at your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here, drop your right elbow on the right knee, left hand up and above the ear. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here, you can even take your shoulder down to the knee, shoulder close to the knee, palm on the floor or palm on the block, and widen the chest. You can again extend the arm up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can go lowest and take your hand behind. If you are comfortable, hook your hands behind your back, or else just simply hold the side handle of the chair. Go lowest possible. From here, interlock the fingers behind your back and lower the head as much as is possible. You can even keep a block vertical position and try resting your head. Gently drop your hands. Lift the spine, come back, stretch both the legs forward, toes turned in, and you can lengthen the spine. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the toes outward, heels in, and lower the head, chest down as much as is comfortable. Hold 3, 2, 1. You can even stretch your hands behind, holding the side handles of the chair, whichever way you can reach it. Inhaling, look up, exhale, and gently rise back up from the position. Bring your legs closer and also try this on the other side. Namaste.